Get ready to witness a revolution in steel and silicon. Today, we're not just looking at farm equipment. We're exploring a world of technological dominance, raw power, and mind-bending efficiency. These are the incredible American machines that are so advanced, so powerful, they represent a quantum leap in agriculture. From colossal harvesters that devour acres in minutes, to intelligent robots that think for themselves, this is the machinery that defines the future of farming. First up, the undisputed king of the harvest, the John Deere X9 1100 Combine. This isn't just a machine. It's a 700 horsepower titan designed to do one thing: conquer massive fields with breathtaking speed. Its dual rotary separators and a cleaning shoe the size of a small car give it a voracious appetite, capable of harvesting up to 150 tons of high-moisture corn per hour. That's over 300 pounds every 60 minutes. But here's the kicker. It does all this while using 20% less fuel than previous models. Look at this beast glide through the field. The sheer scale is awe-inspiring, and its efficiency is a game-changer for large-scale farming. But what good is a world-class combine without a tractor that can keep up? Meet the Case IH Steiger Quadtrac 620. This is not a tractor, it's a force of nature. With 4 independent tracks, this 620 horsepower monster delivers unparalleled traction while minimizing soil compaction, a critical advantage for preserving soil health. Its articulated frame allows it to turn with surprising agility for its size. The engine, a massive 12.9-liter powerhouse, provides the relentless torque needed to pull the largest air seeders and tillage tools through the toughest conditions. Honestly, watching it dig in and pull with such immense power is a sight to behold. For row crop farmers who demand precision and minimal ground disturbance, John Deere offers the 8RX 410. This is where futuristic technology meets raw muscle. It combines the pulling power of a traditional tractor with the flotation of a 4-track system, creating a perfect hybrid. This design allows it to tread lightly, protecting the soil for next year's crop. But inside the cab is where the magic happens. Fully integrated with GPS, auto-steering, and telematics, it can plant seeds with sub-inch accuracy, while the farmer simply monitors its progress. It's a rolling data center that ensures not a single seed or drop of fertilizer is wasted. Truly amazing. The level of intelligence in this machine is redefining what's possible. Now, let's talk about planting at the speed of tomorrow. The Kinze 5900 front fold planter is an absolute marvel of engineering. This 24-row planter can place seeds with pinpoint accuracy while traveling at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. What makes it stand out is the Blue Drive electric drive system and the True Depth hydraulic downforce, which instantly adjusts to changing soil conditions to ensure every single seed is planted at the perfect depth. Think about the efficiency gain planting more acres, faster, and with higher accuracy than ever before. You won't believe how it folds up for transport, transforming from a 60-foot wide titan to a narrow machine in minutes. In the world of spraying, precision is everything. Enter the John Deere C Spray Ultimate. This isn't a sprayer that blindly coats a field, it's a high-tech sniper. Using 36 cameras and advanced machine learning, it identifies individual weeds in a field of corn, cotton, or soybeans, and fires a precise jet of herbicide only at the weed. The result? It can reduce non-residual herbicide use by over 2/3. With a dual tank configuration, it can even apply different chemicals in the same pass. Let's be honest, this is robotics and AI changing the face of agriculture, saving farmers money and drastically reducing the chemical load on the environment. When the hay is ready, you need speed and efficiency. The Vermeer ZR5 1200 self-propelled baler is the answer. This is the world's first zero-turn, self-propelled baler. While a conventional tractor-baler combination has to make wide, looping turns, the ZR5 pivots on a dime, saving precious time on every row. Its automated baling process allows the operator to focus on the windrow ahead, as the machine manages bale formation, tying, and even tailgate cycling on its own. Watching this machine dance through a field is truly amazing. It turns a tedious job into a high-speed, one-person operation. For cotton, the harvest is a delicate and massive undertaking. The John Deere CP770 cotton picker is a masterpiece of specialized engineering. This 555 horsepower giant picks cotton from 8 rows at a time and, in a seamless process, forms, wraps, and deploys a 50-pound round module of cotton on the fly. It never has to stop. The onboard module building system means no more separate balers, no more crews handling loose cotton. It has cut the harvest-to-gin processing time and labor by an incredible margin. Look at this detail. The machine even has an integrated moisture sensor to ensure the cotton is harvested at peak quality. But what about the future? It's already here with the Monarch Tractor MKV. This is the world's first fully electric, driver-optional smart tractor. It's a glimpse into a completely new era of farming. It can operate with or without a driver, performing pre-programmed tasks autonomously 24/7. As it works, it collects and analyzes visual data, providing critical insights into crop health. And because it's electric, it has zero tailpipe emissions and can double as a powerful generator in the field. This quiet, intelligent workhorse is more than a machine. It's a vision of a cleaner, more efficient, and automated farming future. When it's time to get grain from the combine to the truck, you need a serious partner. The Unwerfearth 1119 Extreme Grain Cart is built for one purpose: extreme speed. With a capacity of over 100 bushels, it can swallow the entire tank of a massive combine in a single go. But its most incredible feature is the front-folding corner auger that can unload at a blistering 650 bushels per minute. The forward-reaching design gives the tractor operator a perfect line of sight, making it easier and safer to fill trucks. This machine is the vital link that keeps the entire harvest moving at full throttle. Tackling soil compaction is a battle fought beneath the surface. The Brillion Zone Commander is the surgical tool for this war. Unlike traditional rippers that disturb the entire soil surface, the Zone Commander uses deep, straight-leg shanks to fracture the hardpan up to 20 inches deep in a very specific zone, right where the crop will be planted. This opens up pathways for roots and water while leaving most of the residue on the surface to prevent erosion. It's a brilliant blend of brute force and intelligent design, restoring the soil's health with minimal disruption. For delicate crops, the innovation is just as stunning. The Oxbow 9120 Raspberry Harvester is a gentle giant. It uses a unique Orbirotor picking system with soft, flexible fingers that vibrate and gently shake the ripe raspberries from the cane, leaving unripe berries for the next pass. The fruit falls onto a soft conveyor system and is cleaned by a push-pull air system before being carefully placed into flats. This level of gentle handling for a mechanical harvester is truly amazing and makes harvesting for the fresh market possible on a massive scale. And the innovation doesn't stop. We have the Hagie STS-20 self-propelled sprayer, a 20-gallon behemoth with a 132-foot boom and over 6 feet of clearance for late-season applications. The Amity Technology sugar beet harvester, which can dig, clean, and load tons of beets with incredible efficiency. The Litau grape harvester, which gently shakes grapes from the vine for the wine industry. The Case IH autonomous concept tractor, a cabless vision of the future that can work around the clock, guided only by satellites and sensors. Each of these machines represents the pinnacle of American ingenuity and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By the end of this video, you've seen some of the most powerful, innovative, and awe-inspiring machines working seamlessly. The capabilities of these machines are truly remarkable, and they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in modern agriculture. This isn't just about feeding a nation, it's about leading the world in the technology that will feed the future.